We have our truck, and he's able to glide between the two middle lanes, but he's still not able to glide to the far end lanes. Right? And so what we need to do is we need to know which lane the truck is in. Right? We need to know if the truck is in the 0 lane, the 1 lane, the 2 lane, or the 3 lane. Because if the truck is in the 0 lane and we press A, he should not move, right? He should not move left. And if he's in the 0 lane and he presses D, then he should glide to the 1 lane. But if the truck is in the 2 lane and he presses D, then he should glide to the 3 lane. Right? And if the truck is in the 2 lane and he presses A, he should glide to the 1 lane. Right? So depending on the position of the truck would determine where he glides. Right? So in order to make that decision, we need to know where the truck is. And how can we save that information? What's the only place we could save information in a computer program, which is in a variable. So we can come over here to data, say make a variable, and call it lane. And of course, when we make our variable, the first thing we want to do is set its value. And what value should we set it to on the green flag? Right. Well, the truck appears here when we get our game started. So lane should be set to not 0, not 1, but 2. Okay. So let's go ahead and set it to 2. And I guess it's better to set it when we do the go to. All right. And so let's go ahead and test that out and see if it works. You see lane is 0 right now. The truck is warped to the 2 lane, and our variable is equal to 2. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And I guess the only two keys that we have are A and D. And so let's go ahead and get rid of our glides because we're not going to be using them quite in the same way. And whenever we press the A key, we want our lane variable to change, right? And how do we want it to change? Well, if we press the A key, we want the lane variable to go down by 1, right? So here the truck is in lane 2, we press the A variable, the truck is now in lane 1. So the lane variable should go down by 1, right? So if we go ahead and get our change lane by, and we're going to say change it by -1. Right? And when we press the D variable, we want to change it by 1. And let's go ahead and test that out and see if it works. I'm going to press the A key, it changes to 1. I press the A key again, it changes to 0. Right? I press the D key, it changes to 1. I press the D key again, changes to 2. I press the D key again, it changes to 3. Okay. And so, yeah, this is how we're going to get our truck to move around from lane to lane. I guess we'll stop there.